Hi, I'm John Lampiris, and this is my 2003 Chevy Express van that converted into a camper. A bunch of my friends said, hey, make a video tour of it. And so that's what I'm doing right now. This is my cabin compartment where I do all the driving. And that's my little sound speaker because the speakers on this van were shot. As you can see, I've got an Alexa, and I've got a outside temperature gauge and all my stuff, and I put in this little basket over here for my Tums, my masks, my wipes. I mean, everything's in here. Plenty of room in here since I'm the only one driving. I also use it to store my drone and my backpack and my journal that I'm doing for this trip that I'm on. This is the side entrance to the main cabin, and on the doors I put holders. That's for my step stool to get in because my knees are shot. That strap there is for the chair that folds up. That's right over here by my sink. And over here on this door I have my outdoor chair hangs up and straps in. What you're looking at now is my closet, my sink, which has running cold water, and there's my pull-up counter. Underneath that counter is my camping stove, so I can do cooking indoors and take it outdoors. And that little tab is my pull-out desk that I used when I sit on the bed and put my laptop there. I have an inverter so I can have AC current. That's my USB port. And on the counter's another one because I've made the van so that you could plug it in and everything. And there's my kitchen stuff, which I have to put in the sink when I drive away. And there is my bed. So I have plenty of hallway space, as you could see. From the back, you could see all my storage space in my bed. You could see my control panel, which is over here, which has my regulator for my solar panels, my carbon monoxide alarm, some lighting, and my fuse box. On this door, I have my folding table, which I could use by the campfire. And on this side, I have my retractable clothesline, which goes to the front of the vehicle. So if I wash clothes by hand, I can hang them to dry inside the van while I'm driving. And then I have my outdoor hose and electrical hookup, should they be available. Those are taken care of outside of the van. Right over here is the electrical hookup, and that black knob right there is the fresh water intake. I have 5 gallons of fresh water that goes through my water pump, and 5 gallons of gray water. What we're looking at here is my bathroom. There's my porta-john, and on inside the bathroom, on the side you can't see, I have shelves. Well, here you go. You could see one of the shelves. I leave that open because when I sleep, I usually hang my feet in there. Again, this is the sink in that. Up there by the closet, you'll see a curtain that goes across. That's my privacy curtain. I have 2 fans. This is my reversible fan. Blows in or blows out. It's really powerful. I have dome lights that are hooked to a dimmer switch. That's a dimmer switch. I have a reading light that also has a USB port. And then on top of the van, if I can get there, I have these solar panels. It's 6 little solar panels that charge when I'm parked. And I have 2 batteries, and as you can see, my batteries are 100% charged. Underneath the bed, I've got tons of storage. I have my 2 batteries there. I have also AC battery charger that when I plug in the van, it charges the batteries. And also I have this converter that converts AC to DC, so that when the van's plugged in, it doesn't use the batteries, it converts the AC current. There are 3 shelves in the bathroom that you could see, and down below the shelves is my inverter, and it converts the DC into AC. I was using my electric jigsaw with it, charging my drill batteries. Maybe I'll get a blender and do some margaritas.